Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So this is the correction to questions on number basis, converting base 10 to other bases. So that's what we want to look at in this video. So let's start with the first question. The question says convert 413 in base 10 to hexadecimal. So we want to convert this to hexadecimal. Here means base 12, base 16 rather, sorry, base 16. So that's base 16. We are converting this to base 16. How do we convert? So we use repeated division that we normally use. Repeated division. So we have 413 here. Then we have 16 here. But we have remainder here. We have 16 here. So we now start our division now. So we first of all use, that is 413 divided by 16. What did you get? You will get for 25.8125. So what you are going to write down is 25. You write 25 here. So now say 16 times 25 now, times 25, that gives you 400. 400. And 413 minus 400 will remain 13. So if you write 13 here, we don't have 13. It's not a single digit. So you now go to the letters we have. A, which is 10. B is 11. C is 12. And D is what? Is 13. So that means instead of you writing 13 here, you're going to put D here. You put D here. How I'm making sense? Now, without solving it further, if you check the option you have there, the one that has D as the last digit here is this option. But I want to solve it further. Let's see what we're going to have. So 16 divided by 25 is 1. That is 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 will give us 9. Sorry, 25 minus 16 gives us 9. That is 9 here. So 16 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. So that means the answer is from bottom to the top. That is 19D base 16. That's what you can see there. You can see the same thing. So that trick that I just showed you now, you can apply it when you are solving question, what's it called? Objective question, multiple choice questions. Is that clear? So move to the next question now. Question 2. Question 2 here, we are going to have it in two ways. So we're going to solve the whole part and the decimal part separately. So the question asks us to change it to base 10, then to two decimal places. To two decimal what places. So the first one is, let's change 5, the whole part there, which is 573. So to base 5. So 5, then we have remainder here. I believe I'm making sense, please. All right. So 5 here 1, 5 in 7 is also 1 remainder 2, in 23 that is 4 remainder 3. All right. So from here the answer is between this and this. Can you see? Because we have 3 here, we have 3 here. So then move to the next one. 5 in 11 that is 2 remainder 1. All right. In 14 that is 2 remainder 4. So we have 4, we have 4. It's still between the two of them. Then we have 5. So you can see they have the same whole part. So which means you have to go and do the whole part. Let's finish this one. So this one will give us 4, the remainder 2. Then 5, that is 0, remainder what? Remainder 4. So that means we have 4, 2, 4, 3. Which is, you can see we have both of them there. So we now go to the decimal part, 0.649. Because we are changing it to base 5, we use 5 to multiply. So as we are multiplying it, the whole part that we're going to be getting under the 0 here will be our answer. So 5 times 9 is 45. You write 5, carry 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4, 24. You carry 2. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2 is 32. We write 2 here. We put 3 here. You can see we have 3, we have 3. We still multiply by 5. Don't forget to 2 decimal places. So this one is in 3 decimal places. This is 2. So the answer should be D. Let's continue. 5 here is 5, 25, carry 2, 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2, 22. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, that is 12. You write 2, carry 1. You can see 3, 1. Then multiply by 5 again. Okay, let's multiply by 5 again. That is 25, 2, 5. That is 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 12 plus 2, carry 1. So we have 3 1 1s, but you want to stop at 2 decimal places. So our answer will be this option. I hope that is very clear. Okay. So the reason why I have to do the third one is that we can get a number that is higher than 5 so that we approximate. So that is the essence of that. Is that clear? So move to the next one now. Question 3. Question 3. So for question 3, we have changed this base 10 to duodecimal. That is base 12. Base 12. The same thing, the same process. Just the way we did this one. That's the way we are going to do it. So that is going to have 5, 7, 3. So we have remainder. This is 12. So you do the same thing. Just do use 5, 573 divided by 12. You will get 47.75. You write 47 down. So you now multiply 47 by 12. 47 times 12. You're going to get 564. You're going to get 564. Then 573. Subtract. So this is going to give you 13, and that is 9. So that's the remainder is 9. I hope that is clear. Now, remainder is 9, so which means our answer is here. But that's the last number there. But I will solve everything. I'm just showing you this trick. When you are solving the objective question, you're going to finish it very fast. Once you know the last question, you can see, just check the options. The one that has the 9 is only this one. You can see when we solve it, you're going to get this answer. So let's move on. So 12 and 47. So this is going to be 3. So that is 47 minus 36. That is 1, 1. 11. 11 is B. You can see what I told you. That is B. Okay? 12 and 3. That is 0 remainder 3. That is 3B9. Can you see? 3B9. So that is that on the O part. It now remains the decimal part. You understand? So it remains the decimal part. Let me clean this. So for the decimal part, so I'm going to have 0 0.7, 0 point, sorry, I'm looking at the answer. So that will be 0 0.649 times, don't forget it's duodecimal, that is multiplied by 12. All right, so duodecimal. So what we're going to do, I will just multiply. What you're going to do is, let me just give you the trick here as well. So just multiply 0 0.649 times 12 times 12. So we are going to get 7.788. 7.788. Multiply by 12 again. We're going to multiply by 12 again. So if you want to multiply by 12 again, you are not going to use the 7 you have there, this 7. So instead of, it's going to be 0. You're going to use 0.788 times 12 times what? 12. So that's what you're going to press on your calculator. I hope I'm making sense, right? Okay. So if that is the case, so we're going to have 0.788 times 12. So that will give you 9.456. You can be doing that the way I'm doing it. 9.456. 9.456. You can see we have seen 7. We have seen 9. Can you see? Good. So multiply by 12 again. If you multiply by 12 again, you see what you're going to have again. Let's multiply by 12 again. That will be 0.456. 0.456 times 12 times 12. This will give you 5.472. 5.472. 5.472. You can see the last option here is what? 5. So that is 795. So the answer is this, still correct. You can see it's so simple, right? It's so simple. So once you know what you're doing. So the next question is question 4. So let me clean this part. So to have a space to write. So question 4. So convert 84 base 10 to base 2. So this one is straightforward. So normal, this one is just normal one. So you have it, alright. So 84, then remainder base 2, that is 4, 2 remainder 0, 2, 1 remainder 0, then that is 10 remainder 1, 5 remainder 0, 2 remainder 1, 1 remainder 0, then 0 remainder 1. So the answer will then be, we start from the bottom to the top. That is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. That is the last option here. So you can see that this is straightforward. Alright. So the next question number 5. Question 5. Convert to base 8. We're converting this to base 8. Sorry for that. Converting to base 8. So we're going to have this, the same thing, the same way. So we're going to have 4, 3, 8. Then put the remainder. Alright. Then base 8. So 8 in 48, that is in 43 is 5. Remainder 3. Alright. So 8 in 38, that is 32. 6. Excuse me. That is 4, which is 32. That is 4, which is 32, remainder 6. So do the same thing. 54 divided by 8. So that gives 6, which is 48, remainder 6 as well. 8 in 6, that is 0, remainder 6. So the answer is 6, 6, 6. So that is that this video. I hope you find this useful and helpful. So we're going to meet in the next class tomorrow. Bye for now.